Hey friends, we're the Gurgle family and we're moving from BC to Ontario. We're excited to explore all that Canada has to offer along the way, so we'll be taking our travel trailer with our 3 kids, 1 dog, and 2 cats. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you'd like to follow along on our adventures. In today's video, we're sharing us emptying out the house and travel to our first destination in Revelstoke, BC. Good morning. We are deep into our move. We're currently moving everything into our storage container, and that's going to be shipped over to Ontario. I think we have like 6 days before we leave this house. I just want to show you the current state we're living in. Okay, there's 3 days left till our move, and I wanted to share a little update of what's going on. Our box is almost full to the rim of stuff. The rooms are getting pretty empty inside. I think we have a few more boxes to put in there, but mostly everything is in there. We've moved all the beds and everything, so we'll be sleeping in the trailer. We're slowly moving stuff into that. Let's go inside. Since we packed all of our beds into the moving container, we spent the night here in the trailer, so I'm coming to you from the trailer. Update, everything is still a disaster, so it looks just the same as it did yesterday. Maybe I'll give you an update at the end of the day. It's like 8:30 in the morning right now, so hopefully we can get through most of the cleaning, and then yeah, we're almost ready to go. Okay, so we're on day 2 of our road trip. We went from Kelowna to Vernon yesterday and stayed at my sister's house. I think we had a few bumps in the road when we got there. One of the, what was it? The cleaner for the toilet was left open and it ended up spilling. Thankfully it was in the bathtub, but also a lot of our stuff was in the bathtub. And then the weather stripping fell off while we were driving around the door. Blew off, but we were okay to fix that. One of the cats pooped on our bed, and thankfully we were able to do laundry at my sister's house. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. And Jacob got stung on the lip by a wasp. So it's been a really eventful first night. Well, we were just there overnight, and it's 12 o'clock now. We're en route to Revelstoke, and we'll catch up when we get there. 45 minutes down the road, we already had to stop for somebody to use the bathroom. At the Giant Cedar Boardwalk Trail here at Revelstoke Mountain National Park. I'm excited to walk through and see all these huge trees. They say they're some of the oldest trees in BC. For the night, we're staying at Canyon Hot Springs. We've stayed there before, and yeah, what did we just check out? We just went to Mount Revelstoke National Park and we did the Giant Cedar Boardwalk Trail, which was really cool and really easy for the kids. It was nice and quick and easy, so if you like easy, beautiful walks, that's a perfect place for you to go. We're now on our way to Revelstoke Mountain, and we're gonna try to get on the pipe coaster and probably have some dinner there. Anyways, I have to say that the drive from Kelowna to Revelstoke is pretty beautiful, so if you ever do it someday, I highly recommend it. You pass so many different lakes and mountainscapes. It's beautiful. Mount Bigby Brewery in Revelstoke. It's a pretty beautiful spot here. Some mountainscape. It's very different from the breweries in Kelowna.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. Show them Aaron and Crystal over there, social distancing, tables over.
Right, Aaron and Crystal are at the second table over.
Because we're over one of our counts.
We're one over our limit. Good on them for following the COVID rules.
So we send our kids over and we have the table to ourselves.
Perfect. Watching, guys. Next time we'll be visiting Banff National Park. Jacob tries to light a campfire and we make a really early morning trip to Lake Louise. See you next time.